Okay, I just turn on the hexcopter. Waiting for the GPS signal and the home location. I have two batteries only, one for balance, the other one for power. The GPS good. Now I'm switched to attitude mode, orange, GPS mode, green, and fail-safe, constantly blinking red. Okay, all modes are working. We're gonna try the start it. It's on manual mode. It's manual mode, so I have to do all manual adjustments. And it's kind of stable in manual mode. On manual mode I don't even touch much. More throttle because going down. It's pretty responsive. I will do altitude hold mode. Now it's altitude hold mode. The green LED is blinking, so I can do forward. And it's keeping altitude. Going left. Going right. So let's say I rotate and I don't know which way is right, which one is left. I do course lock and I want to come back home, so I'm pulling back and it's coming back home. I want to go right, it goes right. Let's say I want to do fail-safe now and return to home. It should go to 50 meters high and come back home. This is fail-safe. So it goes high. Comes back home. And it'll land. After 20 seconds. and it turns off automatically. I'm still on FAILSAFE and I'm still on GPS lock. So I'll do another test with another battery soon. So this is test with one battery and next 5 gimbal and the camera on. It's pretty well balanced. If I take to the edges, it's kind of okay. A bit too forward. Okay, the battery fully charged, single battery 5000. We're gonna similar test flight as before. So everything switches all up. Checking. That's the attitude hold mode, GPS mode, FAILSAFE. Everything is working. So we're gonna start with attitude mode because manual mode is kind of twitchy to start with the heavy load. And I would use manual mode only when it's emergency and it's flying away. You take the control over. So I'm gonna go with attitude mode. Okay. Going above 50%. Going up. I'll switch to GPS hold. Looked like the battery warning already started and the battery was fully charged. So GPS hold is okay. And I will land because I don't know the battery. Okay, I'll check the battery. It landed okay. This is the battery I used. It's 25C. It's kind of low in C's. That's why it gives me warning. So it's discharging quickly, but it's still the battery is still pretty fully charged, like 3.9 volts. So it's just 25C caused it high current to go down. I'm gonna use 45C battery now. New battery connected. All the switches properly done. Home location. Let's leave it for a minute. another location. Okay, we can start. So this is now on the GPS hold, attitude hold, and now the GPS hold. I will keep it like this. It's pretty windy. It's a GPS mode with 50% of throttle and the next 5 gimbal and the camera on, and the landing gear works. Looks like the satellite sometimes goes, but now the battery warning kicks in pretty quickly. It's kind of heavy for these batteries. I can pull it back and it will land automatically when the battery is in critical. So we'll land in a safe place. I'm still holding 50% throttle. It's still holding. Still holding. I think it's gonna land soon. Still holding. Yeah, I think it's landing now. Okay, it's landed safely. So we have like a minute from the time of blinking red to landing. Otherwise it will not hold the battery anymore. It's kind of bad because it's one battery. Okay, switch back everything to manual, throttle 0. I'll check the battery voltage. battery voltages are still 3.7, 3.78, 3.82, 3.83, 3.75, so it's kind of warning goes pretty quickly. Okay, waiting for GPS. I'm gonna start manual and we go 200 meters out and see if it comes back home and land by itself. It's using two batteries, one for balance, one for power. That's manual mode. Oh, the batteries are already kicking in. I don't like that. So I'm gonna go fail-safe, return to home. I'm not doing anything. It's going 50 meters up and it's gonna come and land. It's pretty windy, so it's coming back to home position and it's gonna land soon. It's on fail-safe. I'm gonna go throttle down. So after it lands, it turns off the throttle. And it turns off itself. So it was safe landing. This battery is pretty weak, I would say. Okay.